Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the software we have into AuTo marketplace with multiple Facebook accounts that you have. So here is my software I currently using to manage multiple Facebook accounts. So first is the account management function. So with this function, you can add and manage a limited Facebook account you have. So I can choose the account like this and choose login. And the software will auto open browser, and auto log into the account that I choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage multiple Facebook accounts. So to AuTo marketplace, first I will close the browser and you need the content to AuTo. So I will go to content management and I will choose export in here to add a new post. And I will select the category first and choose the type. I will choose marketplace and post title. This select the listing type. I will enter the price you need and enter the price in here and select the product category and choose condition and we will enter content. And the last I will enter the location and upload the new image. Okay, last I will press save to save my content. Okay, so after having a content like this, I will go to post function and I will choose post marketplace. So first I will select the account that I want to post marketplace and I will set up the basic configurations. Like first is a break interval time between two action. I will set to 10 to 20 seconds and select the content that I already add in the content management view and will save. And I must choose allow duplicate content between two accounts because I just have one content. So after every setup, I restart, let the software work. So here you can see the current action and the system log and the result in here. And here you can see this account is successful post and this account is false, is error. Okay, after post done, I will go back to account management and check the account that I already posted. And here you can see this account is more successful. This account has a new notification. Okay, so basically I just show you the software we have to AuTo marketplace with multiple people account that you have. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need the software or more information, you can contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos about automation software.